So let's go across on the ground. My colleague Mustafa Sheikh is in Mumbai. He's outside the court to tell us all the latest. Mustafa, yesterday, because we were live when the arguments were on, and Amit Desai had some very strong argument to say that if there's no possession, if there's no sale or consumption, why is the boy still in prison? So what are we expecting today? I see heightened activity behind you.
Well, yes, the arguments at the Sessions Court will start in some time, as in we will know that in some time the NCB's lawyer will come to court. They will conclude their defense arguments. So right behind us is the Sessions Court where this, in fact, hearing is going to take place on the first floor on the left-hand side with the windows which you can see is the court where these arguments will take place. And yes, you have said rightly that there are some sound arguments which have been made by the defense. There are arguments of drug conspiracy, cartel, international racket, but there is not much evidence posed by NCB regarding that except for WhatsApp chats. So we'll have to wait and see what is the judge's opinion on this entire thing, because there are a lot of precedents which are there in these cases.
Stay on with me because already we are getting loads of breaking news on this special telecast from Mumbai. Aryan Khan and 5 others have been shifted now to the common cell from the quarantine barrack in Arthur Road prison after their COVID report came negative. This is to help you understand that till now there was a special cell in which was a quarantine cell where they were kept. Mustafa can tell us more about it. So that's a procedure anyway these days, isn't it? That Aryan Khan and now some of the associates who were arrested, Mustafa, have now been shifted to the common cell from the quarantine barrack where they were till now.
Well, yes, it was last Friday when Aryan Khan reached Arthur Road jail along with other accused in this case. And those people, we saw that there is a new building which has been made inside the premises of Arthur Road jail, which has been now termed as the quarantine cell. So even after having a negative RT-PCR report, just for the sake of the safety, for 5 days, those accused were kept inside this quarantine cell, and now because they have not showed any symptoms, they have been shifted to the normal barracks. Normal barracks are the barracks where other accused and other under trials are also staying. So it's now a routine life of jail for Aryan Khan, where he will be following all the rules and regulations of waking up at 6 a.m., having breakfast, going back to cell by 6 p.m. So these are things and schedules which now Aryan Khan will be used to. And the big question remains here, as we are at Sessions Court, whether he will get bail, whether the grounds which have been mentioned by the defense lawyers will be accepted for a ground fit for Aryan Khan bails. If he gets bail, what are the conditions which will be put by the judges? These are questions we are waiting answer in some time back.
And also, does the bail immediately mean relief completely for Aryan Khan, or perhaps just for a temporary relief? Mustafa will be live when the hearing begins.